Today, we are going to show you everything you need to know about RV windows, including a few things you do not need to know. Hey Matt, we get a lot of questions on this from our new owners because, let's face it, RV windows are nothing like house windows in any way, shape, or form. Other than you can look out of them, that's about it.
Before we dig in, hit that like and subscribe button and let's go on a little tour, a 3-hour tour.
Not quite.
Well, do you have an RV for us today?
Well, actually no, but I have a picture of an RV.
Seriously, dude, what am I gonna do?
I have no idea, Matt. That's an age-old question. Okay, I have an RV. We can walk through and see how they are installed and operate. Let's go, Matt.
All right, about time you stop talking.
All right, so we have a nice Montana high country RV here, full of features, and this one has windows included. No joke. And screens are sold separately, though.
Again, what am I gonna do with you?
Beats me. That's an age-old question.
Okay, back to it. We have a few basic windows that are common in an RV. We'll go over those today. Egress, also known as an escape window, slider windows, crankouts, picture windows, or a windshield if equipped.
All right, before we get started, I would like to go over how one is installed. I have a window right over here for demonstration. So on this window, we have the window itself, and it has a slider section, and it has a screen. And this sits in the cutout or opening of the sidewall. And then it has a trim ring on the inside of the RV. And as you can see, the holes are for the screws. And these screws go on the ring and then draw the window itself tight. And it's either got foam as a seal from the factory or butyl or putty. One of those, either is fine. Okay, next I would like to go through and operate a couple windows for you today, and I will point the features of each one out as I do that.
Great idea there, Skipper. How about I show the folks how to operate these windows?
I think that's a great idea, man.
All right, so walk me through it. Bart, tell me what I'm doing.
Yeah, Matt, so we're going to squeeze in the lock levers, then you can just raise the slider portion up. And then if you like, you can raise the screen up as well to either for cleaning purposes or handing items out through the coach.
Yeah, and these screens are pretty tight. That is normal. They're going to be tight. We don't want them just popping out on you.
Yes.
So what's next?
Okay, Matt, next let's show our viewers the horizontal slider in the dinette.
All right. So we've just got a picture window up top, a window on the side, and we got a slider here. So we can get some good airflow in, yeah? Open the screen if we need to, pop it out if we need to. And there's also tracks in here too for water drainage, which we'll talk about later, right?
Hey Matt, let's show them this egress slider in the back.
Ah, yeah. Okay, so we got an egress window here, just got glass on the top and the left, and it's denoted as egress by the exit sticker and the red handle on the slider here. So we just lift up the handle, pull it open, get that screen out of the way, and get out of the unit if you need to.
Hey Matt, great job showing us that. Hop on up here. So if you do need to service your windows, clean them, or the screen gets damaged and you need to change it, they're just held in by friction springs, and I'll show you on this display here. So you can see as I push this, it's spring loaded. So all you do is push that, you lift them out, and here you can see the spring clips. That's how they're held in, all of them in here. So you can service these whenever you need to.
Thanks, Bart. Good information. They are very different than a residential home, but still require attention and regular maintenance, and we know what happens when components are not maintained. Water leaks, and that's not good.
And here's a couple tips. Start by checking the seal of where the window meets the wall. You're looking for gaps or voids where water could sneak by. Just like most repairs, make sure you clean the area before doing any touch-ups. Silicone sealant will fix most issues here. In the worst case scenario, you can remove the window and reinstall with putty or foam seal. To do this, you'd probably need a second set of hands to help. But if that's too much, then by all means, contact a service shop to help them fix it for you.
Okay, so next we're going to check the weep holes. Weep holes are on the bottom of the window, and you want to keep them free and clear of any debris, such as bugs or a buildup of dust over time. What happens is the natural condensation that you might have in a unit, that condensation on the inside will run down to the track that we talked about earlier, and it will run out these holes. So it's very important. If those get plugged up, water can't get out, it'll overflow back inside and cause damage to your RV. Another one, word to the wise, do not use pressure washers for this. We do not recommend using pressure washers to wash your RV. You shoot that high pressure water up against these weep holes and it's bound to come back into the unit and cause damage as well.
Hey, just remember to include windows in that Saturday morning maintenance check you do on a regular basis. It's the right thing to do.
If you found this information beneficial, please hit that like and subscribe button. If you have any suggestions to camp better, just leave us a note below. Check us out at KeystoneRV.com and download the My Keystone app.
Campers, thank you for watching today. From Matt and I, we will see you out there.